Right. So yeah, this part is going to be a bit boring now, because it's just houses. So let's see what we can see. Be nice to live here though. You know, it's like a quiet street-ish. You have access to the town a few minutes walk away. Ah, sorry about the wind. Yeah, there's the popo. Some grounds for a governor or something, I don't know. That's a pretty cool house. That's pretty damn cool as well. I like that. Nice and colourful, nice and colourful. Really stands out. Studios. I wonder if that's a photography studio. Just an art studio. It's a decoy! See at the top right, it's a decoy. I'm supposed to be looking at something else. I don't know what. That building's a decoy. So I think this is Bowlane. So this would be Dublin 8-ish area. Bit of a fair walk from the city centre. I've never in my entire life walked down this road. Don't think I've ever even driven down this road. So, one of the joys of my channel, getting to explore my own city. Fire Hall. So this 5-minute video might be cut because it's boring as fuck. It's like there's nothing here, like nothing. Very busy road now, actually, come to say. Right, so if I would have went down Thomas Street, which looked more interesting, because you have St James's Hospital there and a few shops and all, I would have been coming down this alleyway here at Tathony House. Where I want to visit isn't too far from here. I wonder if this is even blocked off now, actually. No, looks open. It's up there when I came down those steps, and then around this way is the way I wanted to go. So going over the River Liffey there. I believe that's the River Liffey. No, it's not. Is it? It is. Has to be. No, it can't be. Anyway, I'm sure the place I wanted to go was up this way, but we all know I've been wrong in the past, so get ready for some heavy breathing. Right. Getting close, but still no confirmation. Okay, I think we're safe.